Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Bacopa Enlighten, 60 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Supports cognitive function. Premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Bacopa Enlighten is Bacopa monnieri, an herb used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine to support normal cognition. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule daily, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: organic rice hull, capsule, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustarad, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Do not use if you are pregnant or lactating or if you have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. May cause nausea, dry mouth and fatigue. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.